The Medicare Annual Enrollment Period runs from October 15th to December 7th each year, and it's a crucial time for all Medicare beneficiaries. To ensure a smooth enrollment period, there are a few simple steps you must take. Take the time to review your current Medicare plan. Analyze your medical needs, prescription drug coverage, and any changes in your health. This will help you identify if your current plan still meets your requirements. Before deciding to keep your old plan or enroll in a new plan, you should research and compare the different Medicare plans available to you. Pay attention to premiums, co-payments, deductibles, and the network of doctors and hospitals. Once you've decided on coverage, it's time to enroll. If you're uncertain about your choices, seek assistance from a licensed insurance agent who specializes in Medicare. They can help break down your options and offer personalized guidance based on your unique needs. Your agent can also help with the enrollment process to ensure you don't miss any steps along the way. To learn more about the Medicare Annual Enrollment Period, visit MedicareFAQ.com today.